Hello, San Joseph student. I hope you are fine. Our lesson today is about multiple and divisibility. Firstly, we will know what is the meaning of multiples. If a number is multiplied by 2, then the product is a multiple of 2. Multiples of 2 are the number whose unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, all even number. The product 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are called multiples of 2. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, all of these numbers are called the multiple of 2. Number 2. If a number is multiplied by 3, 4, 5, then the product is a multiple of these numbers. Example: 3 times 6 equal 18. Then 18 is a multiple of both 3 and 6. 18 is a multiple for 3 and 18 is a multiple for 6. Because we can divide 18 by 3 and 6 at the same time. Example: find multiple of 6 and 10. Multiples of 6 are 0. 0 times 6 is 0. 1 times 6 is 6. 2 times 6 12. 3 times 6 18. 4 times 6 24. So the multiple of 6 is 0, 6, 12, 18, 24. Multiple of 10 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, etc. The multiples of a number are the product of the number and any other number. If you list multiple of number, this list is endless. The first multiple of 3 is 3 because 3 times 1 is 3. The second multiple of 3 is 6 because 3 times 2 equals 6. The third multiple of 3 is 9 because 3 times 3 equals 9. The fourth multiple of 3 is 12 because 3 times 4 equals 12. The 10th multiple of 3 is 30 because 3 times 10 equals 30. The 75th multiple of 3 is 225 because 3 times 75 equal to 125. So this list is endless. Divisibility. Any number is divisible by another if the remainder of the division is 0. Example: 10 divided 2 and the remainder is 0. 10 divided 5 equal 2 and there is no remainder. So 10 is divisible by 5. 37 divided 6. 37 is not in table 6, but the nearest number to 37 is 36. 36 divided 6 equals 6, and the remainder is 1. So 37 is not divisible by 6. Note: multiples of any number is divisible by this number. How do this? Example: 2 times 6 equals 12. Then 12 is a multiple of the two numbers 2 and 6. So 12 is divisible by both 2 and 6. 12 is divisible by 2 and divisible by 6. 12 is a multiple by 2 of numbers 2 and 6. Divisibility by 2. Any number is divisible by 2 if the unit digit even number. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Any number started by this number divisible by 2. Example: 6 is divisible by 2. 32 is divisible by 2. 32 is divisible by 2 because it started by 2. 48 is divisible by 2 because it's even number started by 8. 92 is divisible by 2 because it started by 2. Divisibility by 5. Any number is divisible by 5 if the unit digit is 0 or 5. Example: 25, 50, 35, 55. 25 started by 5, 50 started by 0, 35 started by 5, 55 started by 5. Divisible by 10. Any number is divisible by 10 if the unit digit is 0. Any number divisible by 2 and 5 at the same time is divisible by 10. 10 is started by 0. 10 is divisible by 2 and 5. 20 started by 0. 20 is divisible by 2 and 5. 50 started by 0 and 50 divisible by 2 and 5 at the same time. 70 started by 0 and divisible by 2 and 5 at the same time. Divisibility by 3. Any number divisible by 3 if the sum of its digit is in table 3. 36 is divisible by 3 because 3 plus 6 equal 9 and 9 is in table 3. So 36 is divisible by 3. 123 is divisible by 3 because 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 6. 6 is in table 3. 245 is not divisible by 3. Why? Because 2 plus 4 plus 5 equal 11 and 11 is not found in table 3. Divisibility by 6. Any number is divisible by 6 if it's divisible by 2 and 3 at the same time. Any number divisible by 6 if it's divisible by 2 and 3. Example: 24 divisible by 2 because 4 is even number. Divisible by 3 because 2 plus 4 equals 6. So 24 divisible by 6. Divisibility by 15. Any number is divisible by 15 if it's divisible by 3 and 5 at the same time. Divisibility rules. Example: 162,720 is divisible by 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. How it happened? It divisible by 1 because any number divisible by 1. Divisible by 2 because it ends in a 0. 0 is an even number, so this number is divisible by 2. Divisible by 3 because 1 plus 6 plus 2, 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 7 16, 16 plus 2 18, 18 plus 0 equal 18. 18 is divisible by 3. 18 is in table 3. It's divisible by 4 because the last two numbers divisible by 4. 20 divide 4 equal 5. And divisible by 5 because it ends in 0 and any number ends in 0 divisible by 5. Divisible by 6 because the number is divisible by 2 and 3. Divisible by 8 because the last three number is divisible by 8. 720 divided 8 equal 90. Divisible by 9 because the sum is 18 and 18 is divisible by 9. And divisible by 10 because it ends in 0 and any number ends in 0 is divisible by 10. Another example: 32,592,165 is divisible by 1, 3, 5. 1 because any number divisible by 1. Not 2 because 5 is an odd number. Not 0, not 2, not 4, not any number divisible by 2. Is divisible by 3 because it's a sum. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 9, 19, 19 plus 2, 21, 21 plus 1, 22, plus 6, 28, plus 5, 33. And 33 is in table 3. 33 divided 3 equal 11. So this number is divisible by 3. Not 4. Why? Because 4 does not divide it evenly into an odd number. We can't divide any number by 4, any odd number by 4. It's divisible by 5 because it ends in 5, and any number ends in 5 divisible by 5. Not 6 because the number not divisible by 2. Not 8 because 8 does not divide by an odd number like 4. Not 9 because 33 not divisible by 9. Not 10 because the number not ended by 0. Another example. 745,168 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, and 8. 1 because any number divided by 1. 2 because it ends in 8. 8 is an even number, so this number is divisible by 2. Number 3. The sum is 7 plus 4, 11, plus 5, 15, plus 1, 16, plus 6, 17, plus 8, 31. 31 divided by 3 does not equal the even number. Number 4. 68 divided 4 equals 16. The last two numbers is divisible by 4, so this number is divisible by 4. Not 5 because this number not ended by 0 or 5. Not 6 because the number is not divisible by 2 or 3. Not divisible by 8 because last 3 number is divisible by 8. Not 9 because 31 not divisible by 9 is not a whole number. Not 10 because this number not ended in a 0. Thank you for watching.